To inspect and replace the drive belt on your Ranger XP 1000, follow these steps. Park the vehicle on a flat, level surface, ensure it is in park, and remove the key. Begin by removing the 9 fasteners retaining the outer clutch cover. Removal of left rear wheel or left rear shock is not necessary for belt replacement. Now, to remove the clutch cover, pull the cover forward and slide it towards the front of the vehicle. Then, rotate the clutch cover back and lift it up and over the control arm mounting. Use care when lifting the clutch cover upwards. Do not damage the cover, intake boot, or electrical harness. After this, pull the clutch cover out towards the rear of the vehicle. Next, take note or mark the drive belt direction of rotation so it can be installed in the same direction. Then, insert the clutch spreader tool from the toolkit into the threaded hole on the drive clutch and turn clockwise to spread the clutch. Now, carefully walk the belt out of the driven clutch and drive clutch and remove from the vehicle. After this, inspect the belt for hourglassing. Hourglassing occurs when the drivetrain does not move and the drive clutch engages the belt. Next, inspect the belt for loose cords, missing cogs, cracks, abrasions, thin spots, or excessive wear. Compare belt measurements with the new drive belt and replace if necessary. Belts with thin spots and burn marks should be replaced to eliminate noise, vibration, or erratic PVT operation. Now, clean out the inside of the clutch cover thoroughly. Failure to remove all debris when replacing the belt could result in vehicle damage, loss of control, and severe injury or death. If belt fails, always clean any debris from the clutch air duct and from the clutch and engine compartments when replacing the belt. With the clutch spreader tool installed, loop the belt over the drive clutch and over the driven clutch. Be sure to install the belt in the same direction it was removed. Now, remove the clutch spreader tool from the driven clutch. Next, rotate the drive clutch and belt approximately 5 to 7 times to properly seat the belt in the driven clutch. After this, carefully reinstall the clutch cover into the wheel well by first rotating the clutch cover over the A-arm. Use care not to damage the intake boots or electrical harness. Now, pull the clutch cover backwards and align it with the bolt holes on the inner clutch cover. Then, ensure the cover seal is fully seated and install the outer clutch cover bolts and torque to specification. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.